Hey, little one. It's okay. Almost there. Safe now, little one. Okay. Warm inside. There you go. Storm finally calmed down. Thank God. Can't believe you made it through that. You're tougher than me, huh? You're safe now, little buddy. We'll get you somewhere warm. You're alright, little guy. Warm now, huh? No more snowstorms for you. Welcome home, buddy. Not much, but it's warm. Guess we're having dinner together tonight, huh? Can't believe you're eating that. Tougher than you look. Not the kind of company I expected out here.